may be wondering why I have a chainsaw with me up here. It's not to take care of unruly passengers. A good example why I have is just up around this bend here. Going past now on either side, those fallen logs. Now, in the event of a tree being down the track that's too large for me to throw out the way, I'll quickly get out the chainsaw and cut it up so we can progress with the tour. Now you've seen that, also like to advise if there's any avid bushwalkers on board to please take care of the forest, because karri trees are well known for dropping their limbs, and some can be quite a substantial size, so just be aware of the surroundings out there. Now you also may notice some of the limbs of the trees come close to the tram as we're driving by. Now I mention that because if you plan on sticking your head or arms out of the tram, can you please look forward first, because I don't want to see you getting a slap in the face by a bush or losing any equipment overboard. Bridge on the tour. This is Eastbrook Bridge. Crosses Eastbrook naturally. It's actually the highest bridge on this tour, being 14 metres from top to bottom. And it's also 60 metres in length. Now directly underneath you'll see an old dirt track. Now that actually used to be the main line of the timber industry railway network. So I'm basically saying the train used to run directly underneath this bridge. And it's long gone now, but if you visit our Pemberton Tramway website, you'll see photos taken by my great uncle Roy Kelly, showing one train going over top and the other underneath. Now around us now is also the peppermint tree.